Well, welcome to Stack Rocks, where there are literally masses of guillemots nesting. Somewhere in the region of 12,000 birds should be here, and at this time of the year, in early June, is when most of the birds are nesting. So I'm here today to census these birds and to find out how the numbers compare with other years. They've been nesting here since time immemorial, but it's only really in the midsummer period that they come ashore. But here you can see this wonderful spectacle. It's one of the few places you can actually see guillemots in the summer by literally just stepping out of your car. Normally you'd have to go to a remote island, and it's quite a difficult passage to see these birds.
Whilst Bob's further along the coast counting the birds, I've come here to check on this small population of guillemots and razorbills. This whole population is extremely important for these cliff nesting birds, but it's also extremely popular for climbers. So whilst these birds are nesting, we have to restrict the cliffs so that they're not disturbed by the climbers. Not only do we restrict climbing to protect the guillemots and razorbills, we also restrict climbing for the peregrines and the chough as well. And in order to get the information across to the climbing fraternity, we not only produce leaflets and put the information on the internet, we also have little red pots situated on the cliff which indicate where the birds are nesting and therefore where the climbers can't climb. The restrictions kick in on the 1st of March, and they're in place usually until mid to the end of July or whenever the birds fledge.
Well, we've never been to Pembrokeshire before. It's our first time here, and we come from over in Somerset, across the water, and we just came for a walk and we just saw the birds across the bay there. It's absolutely beautiful.
This is an amazing view with all the seabirds here, and it's great that I can get just a short distance from the car park on my mobility scooter actually to see them.
Well, it's really nice to meet some people who've never actually been to Pembrokeshire before. I'm amazed that they haven't actually been here to see this wonderful spectacle. It just shows you how important it is to look after this place, and they were really thrilled. So it's fantastic that that people have this opportunity to come and see this in the Pembrokeshire Coast National Park.